Hey, Emily here, social media executive at Tile and Bathroom Mountain. Today I'm going to be taking you on a day in my life on a shoot day, so let's see what we get up to. I started the day getting ready in my bathroom, which is of course completely decked out with Tile and Bathroom Mountain products. I'm actually going to be doing a series soon where I show you how I did this, so stay tuned. Then I had some cuddles with my cat Biscuit because I feel like that's the best way to start a day. And then I made my way to the train station. A quick little train journey, and then I met up with my colleague and he drove us all the way to Liverpool, which takes us around 3 hours. We're actually going to see Craig Phillips today, who's our brand ambassador and also the very first ever winner of Big Brother, which is pretty cool if you're a fan like me. Here's me replying to some comments on the way. And then of course we stopped for Starbucks because I feel like you just have to stop for food on a road trip. And then after about 3 hours we got settled in Craig's filming studio. He's filming how to fit a bath for Bathroom Mountain today, so if you happen to be doing that soon, keep an eye out. Here's my first cup of tea of the day, which was just amazing after that long drive. So we were there for quite a while filming some behind the scenes bits for our social media, and also we asked him some juicy questions about Big Brother, so keep an eye out for those. And then we made our way home. It took us about 3.5 hours and we saw some cute sheep on the way. And then I got home and I sat in this corner of the sofa and I didn't move for the rest of the day. So thank you for watching. Bye!